I'm Dave Miller at McCulloch Miller. At McCulloch Miller, we have over 60 years combined legal experience in estate planning and probate. An estate plan is necessary for everyone to have. And if you've put one together, you should be congratulated because you've taken good steps to take care of your family and your loved ones after you pass away. But it's really easy to think that, hey, once I've got these documents signed, I've checked that box and I don't have to think about it anymore. But the reality is an estate plan is really a process, and it's something that should grow and evolve with you. Today I want to take some time to talk about the different times in life you should think about reviewing or changing your estate plan, including your will or any trust that you might have. A good estate plan that you made in your 30s and 40s when you had young kids and maybe just a house might not work very well when you're much older and have more assets, maybe health issues or grandchildren. Your relationship with your children might have changed. Your priorities might have changed and now you want to focus on education for your grandkids. Maybe you're planning for your own disability, or maybe even just the law has changed. Any of these changes would require a change to your estate plan. We tell our clients that they should review their estate plan at major life milestones. That might include the birth of somebody, the death of somebody, a marriage, a divorce, a substantial change in their financial status, either for good or for bad, or a change in their health. Any of these could necessitate a change to their estate plan. Also, we tell our clients they should review their estate plan with an attorney every 2 to 3 years. This type of review can vet out any changes that might have happened in your life that need a change to your estate plan, or there might have been a change in the law that the attorney can identify. Often, no major changes are going to be necessary, but a quick review with an attorney can identify problems, and usually a simple amendment or revision can save you and your family a lot of time, confusion, and family discord. If you haven't reviewed your estate plan documents in a while, it's a great idea to sit down with an attorney to make sure that your estate plan still makes sense. If you'd like to sit down with us and review your estate plan, contact us today.